Okay, let's try this last question. And what are they asking for you? Calculate the size of this angle theta. Now, I'm going to do it. There's different ways of doing it. And I think I've got a way that's pretty simple. You've got this line here. We know the gradient of it. The gradient was 5 over 12. It's a positive gradient. If we go shift 10 of 5 over 12, the gradient of this line AB, we're going to get that angle right there. The angle from the horizontal, that's called the angle of inclination. That angle right there. And that's the first thing you do. Let's look at what Mrs. Olkers did. And she got 5 over 12. It's 22.62 degrees. That's that angle there. Well, the other one is up here. AC. Now, we need the gradient of AC. Gee, I think we could get the gradient even working with right here. If we went 3 minus 3, we'd get 6. If we went minus 1 plus 5, we'd go over 4. We'd get 4. 6 over 4 is really 3 over 2. So to get this other angle here that bends right up to here, we'll have to take the gradient, which is going to be 3 over 2. No matter what points you use on this side, they will have the same gradient. Miss Olkers chose the 3 and 9 and the minus 5 and 3, and she got the right gradient of the line AC. And then she went shift 10, and she got 56.3 degrees. You just ask your calculator what angle fits with this gradient, which is a tangent, really. 56.3 degrees. Now, how am I going to get theta? There's not too much thinking about it. All you got to do is you subtract the big angle minus the small one. So when you're figuring out one of these angles around two lines, you always go shift 10 of the gradient. If it's negative, you add 180, but this is even a little easier. You just subtract 56.31 minus 22.62, and you get 33.7 degrees. Maybe they said to the, one decimal place. You got to read it so carefully because you might do it to 2 decimal places. Now the last questions, it says, determine the coordinates of P so that the quadrilateral A to B to P to M, AB, 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 PM, that'd be up here, I guess, AB, PM is a parallelogram. Well, how are you going to do that? Well, all you have to do is look at the change that's happened here. The change that's happened here, it's moved to get from A to M, and do the same thing at B to get to P, and you'll get it. Now look at what changes happen from A to M. Well, it's gone 4 to the right and 6 up. So all you do is add 4 to 7 and add 6 to 2. And there's your answer, 11 and 8. Whatever change happened between A and M, do the same change for B, and you'll get to that nice P there that makes a parallelogram. And there you go.